Good morning, my people. On a good morning, my lovely friends in Facebook. On a good morning. And I don't see my title of my message. It's very, very painful, I feel pain for my heart. Big pain. Yes, a pain, I feel them. My heart every 6 nights. I don't feel this. I don't feel sleep. This life, balance at all. The balance for some people when they say they get friends where they carry crowd. Balance for people when they say they know they carry friends. When I see this boy, he don't die past 2 weeks. This boy don't die past 2 weeks. Na Bini boy. His mama and his papa na Edo. Na Bini. This boy they stay for Treviso City. He come pack for Treviso City, go Venezia, Mestre. This boy come dey sick. I don't know whether a landlord or a tenant na he get this house. He carry him go hospital. He abandoned the boy for the hospital because the boy stay hospital for a very long time. He abandoned her for there. At the end of the whole thing, the boy die. This person, when this boy they stay for a house, he no fit come outside say, Paul, now my house, Paul they stay. Oh, as they sick now, I can't go hospital. Oh, Yamona donate money come, me we take do Paul burial. None of them fit do am. And they say Bini get union for Mestre, for Treviso, for any city when you there, they get union. They no fit do this thing. Oyibo, now call they send identity of the boy. They give anybody when they see for train station. They ask them whether they know this person, and this person don't die for more than 2 weeks. Bini people, what did they play now? What did they happen? Now una pikin na dey for mortuary so. Una pikin na dey for mortuary. When be say that they use, they play, that they find who go just come, sign, and they carry the boy go bury. Nobody come outside. Nobody come outside. I not be Bini. I be Delta girl. I be Delta woman. But if something happen to a person when it is near you, you as a person, you go think yourself. You understand me? You go think yourself. You think your situation of yourself. It pain me. One, as the boy day, and I saw me day. I don't get brother for you. I don't get sister. Only me and God. I did for this country. Why did they pay me since yesterday? They pay me. Say now me, a Jais, like this kind of happen to. And some people will say abandon me because if you come in for party, I they go. If you come in for birthday, I they go. If you come in for anything, I they go. You understand? So I be person when we say, if I come your party, everywhere they shake. But this boy, Bini, when I go see some Bini people, they will tell me, if Bini goes somewhere, now they be senior. If they come out, now they be senior. They want tear cola, now they want tear cola. So now they live on a Pekin, make it the roti, they die for a side hospital, make it spirit they waka around, they run about for a side hospital. You see this thing when it happened to this boy, that house when the boy did. Wanna share this video so that maybe the best when they stay house, if they fear, or maybe no, it document not strong. Now make no one come outside. Wanna share the video so that it go reach the person and make the person come outside, make it just say, now my house Paul they stay, or I no Paul for so place. Or any Bini person at all, go Venezia Mestre Hospital. go hands of Paul. Say the boy when he died 3 weeks or 2 weeks, more than 3, it doesn't go 3 weeks. When he died, say now on a family that is now Nigerian person, how they want to do the burial. They go they very glad. They go they very glad. No Nigerians they come aside. No Nigerians they come aside to who can't do that. Bini, Ishan, all of them sit down for inside house. They feel a concern, say, not be their brother, not be their friend, not be their son. You understand? Now they feel concerned. You know why? At times, I they love to stay alone. I know they make friends. Because all these kind of things, when I see, you know, they make me make friends. White people, person their country, he die. If they follow now, they eat. They follow now, they do everything. No for now, if go there. God. No for now, if go there. Just so ask. I don't want to bury the person. Make the person rest. No for now, if go there. No for now, if go there. The boy dead body just there for mortuary. For not get bad record. For Treviso, as that boy stay rich, you don't get bad records. You don't get any bad record. You know they work out, they follow people where they smoke. You know they follow women anyhow. Now people just they do, they go. You know, a very quiet person. You know, in life, good people not the last, oh. Good people not the last. You know, the last. The thing pain me. When I hear the voice, they say they never bury the boy. Say they find who go just sign. Say the boy na Nigeria person. May they just sign. Because they pay me. It don't tell when I come out for the city. Where the boy there. I don't come out for the city more than 15 years. So I don't get residents there. You understand? My resident not they read there. You don't reach me do. You don't reach me do. I don't do the way pass like that. You don't reach me do. You don't reach me do. As I did as well, I get children when not be my own. When be say all the girls they come for Libya, they no fit born. They won't use operation. They born. Then they find who go sign for that. They stand for them. I get 3 children when I sign like that. When I use my hand carry for this country when I did. You don't reach me do. But I don't come out. I don't come out for that city. It don't say. I don't know whether I go fit from my own city here now. When I not get resident for that side, I go they fight dead body and they want to bury him. You know why they cry? Many people, no. Many people, na math on that day, na not get level, na math, na little fights, na sabi. No little fights. No, Zabi, I don't get any level at all. If now Igbo men, if now even the Igbo boys, you know, get level. No Igbo man go leave his brother for grave. The way they leave that boy for grave, no Igbo man go do that thing. Be no be disgrace. Be no. Wanna be disgrace, big disgrace, No, disgrace me, disgrace me. All my Bini friends, they disgrace me. Bini for Mestri, Bini for Treviso, wanna disgrace me. Aye. No. Who his brother never die, Or who his sister never die? Now they look at this thing easy. Look and say what it did there. But if it happen to you, aye. If it happen to you, if this thing happen to you, you gonna say to lost person is very, very bad to lost person. So none of us now, if you just come outside to donate, to donate money, me that they bury the poor boy. You don't get picky, you don't get wife. No. No. I shame for now. They say I'm not shame. I shame for now. I shame for now. Benin people for Mestre and Treviso, I shame for now. I swear, I shame. This cry, they cry for now. Now they cry this cry for because Paul not relate to me. No be Benin person. Borobo woman. But if I see one of the mad for Facebook, one of the craze for Instagram, one of the craze for TikTok, they pay me. The important things when not fit the do one. Like just to fight, anyhow fight, unnecessary fights. Fight when they go anywhere. I will kill your children, I will kill your mama, I go do this one. Nonsense fights. None of the fight for TikTok, for Facebook, for Instagram. See poor dead body there for grave for more than 2 weeks plus. Then they find who just to write paper, just write the paper. Make the ghost bury him. They don't see anybody. They don't see anybody, oh. They don't see anybody. They don't see one person for Food Treviso and Venezia Mestre and Benin Union. Union there for Benin. Hey. Oh God. Wow. Now wow. This guy slap where they slap Benin goto so. They no fit slap Agbo people. They no fit slap Yoruba people. They no fit slap Igbo man. They no fit slap Igbo people. Una be disgraced and disgusted. Benin people, Edo State people, who like make it come outside, come join this video, come curse me. If I not open shaft and reach Imama, they die when they keep on. I go kill that person. Anybody, any of them will call right nonsense. They will call Benin people name because the boy is from Edo State. The boy not Benin boy. The boy, football and brought up in Benin. Una not get shameless. Shameless not there una brain. Not to misbehave on Facebook na sabi. To misbehave. Una not they unite. Una not fit they do things together. Una not fit there for meeting and gather small money for say meeting. Now so one boy died for Coloniano last time. Not be 8 months 8 months, I be how many months ago. Because they use the boy body, they find money. This of saying you go donate for. This of saying you go 3 people now they donate money for before they fit bury that Isha boy that time. This one now Paul don't come outside. They don't see anybody when they bring body come outside. They don't see anybody. Nobody bring body come outside. I say say I made them donate money. Made them carry the boy. Made them go bury him. Italians, they don't need to carry. The only time I'm gonna bring money come. Would know the boy. Where una one made the bury and put so that people time to time on our feet they go they put flour. Now let that thing Italian need from my hand. Nothing. The man when he carry him, I've been out the woman when he carry him, when they stay for a house, when they stay one room for a house. When he carry him, go hospital, go abandon her for hospital. Can't reach today. The man of it come and say, "Ah, my house now Paul they stay." So as Paul they stay for my house now, they sick Wakara go hospital, he don't die. Oh yeah, beg, I not get money. Oh yeah, more we donate money, when we go hospital, when we go look how they want to bury Paul. None of them come outside. The man not come outside, the woman not come outside, the pikin, I don't know who he rent us for hand, they not come outside. You see all these people where they rent one room, they give people where they know they give people residents. If you look for residents don't expire. Where they stay and not get residents for them. If former house, Treviso, now therefore get resident. This person house where they stay, so the person not going to do residents for us. So the residents don't expire. You understand? And that person, as he no one come out, he go pursue that person. Poor spirit go pursue, go come outside by force, by fire. He go come outside by force, by fire. Nigerians people, Benin people, Isha, una too wicked. Una too wicked. I fear nobody. I respect those who get to respect. If na Benin, if na Igbo man or Agbo man, this story for no come outside, they for don't bury the lotto, they for don't bury the boy come up for ground. Una go just they make noise. Una be noise maker. Therefore, the full Nigerians now make noise pass. Now make noise pass. But you know, if they do better thing when they call on and they say, "Na Benin person I do this thing." time go. No. Una be disgraced. Una be disgraced. Una picking when una picking edo katakbi abi edo katapa. Night day for mortuary. Una be disgraced. Una be disgraced. See the boy. You see, I say, come on, see, they show better thing. See the boy. I don't know whether or not they say because we had to do my video. I don't want this stuff, so I come this place. I show the video. You see the boy? When I see the boy, the last resident when he get na Treviso. Treviso, the Venezia mystery when he goes so, the people not going give a resident, so they not fit know the exactly place. Until you see him, until you not see him. Until you not see him. Nigerians, they will carry 3 rooms a parlor. Mama, papa, and children go there for 1 room. They go they find 10 after they won't put for inside house. Make they follow that they pay rent or bills. Eh? They not go give their resident. Only they with their children will get resident. If something happen to all those people, how they want to know how the thing they happen? How they want to know? How they want to know how the thing they happen? Waiting where the boy they stay, where the boy not they stay. They just can't come Mestre Hospital. You understand? They just can't come Mestre Hospital. Then they can't come. They can't read it. They abandoned the boy. The boy stay hospital for a very long time. Not stay hospital for 2 days. He stay hospital for a very long time. He stay hospital for a very long time before the boy turned to ghost. Nobody, no Bini people for the Venezia Mestre. As Mestre, if you go train station, you will see Nigeria when it pass 500 where they run about for train station. They don't see anybody when they compare Paul. They don't see anybody when they come outside for Treviso. They don't see anybody when they come outside for Mestre. Ona when you get population, Bini and Isha when you get population, Ona brothers fit die, Ona fit abandon a brother. Me when you come say now let me one day, I not get brother for you, I not get sister, no, we not get population. Only the 2 robo people when they there for this Veneto, when they for this Treviso, so they're not go. They're not they agree before. They go vote happy say my enemy die because they do shakara. They go vote happy. They not go come. So now when you get population, when you get population, I don't feel still come outside, come bury poor. I don't feel come outside, come bury the boy. The boy not get sister, not get brother for Europe. It be like me. We be orphan. I not get sister, not get brother, not get anybody. Only me one. Now they go for Europe. I they make this video because if I made the things they happen to. So all of them when they come in for Shebi, what they do a Shebi for now they buy clothes, they buy on a picking baby things. So now for una go still do me. Abi? Okay. No wala. No wala. Mo gonna know they look me. Mo na share the video. If na another thing na saga na the saga na. If all these people they craze na the saga na so na they type na they share the video. Una no go ever share better thing. I no understand. Una no go ever share better thing. Una no go ever share better thing. Wait till person they talk when it makes sense. Una no go ever share. Now let's fight and crazy things now that they ever share. Why not be like that? Why not be like that? Eh? If now fight now, no worry. I go grave. I go bring my mama dead body come for you. Una for the share on. Una for the press like. Una for the share on. Una for the say right down. Una for the comment for a side. That they do video now for person when dead body when don't die when they find people, Nigerians people. When they go come them they bury them. All of them they look me like Lucozette. I don't want to share this kind of thing. No. I don't want to share this kind of thing. No. If na Cora with your husband we don't make life, we don't make money. Now they talk about now. That's why I'm going to share the video. Now I'm going to share the video. Like I said, they won't pay on money for those videos when the Cora they do. When some idiot they shook out for Toto they do. They pay on one and they share them. No. This one now Bini people because all of them when they watch me for years, so most of them Bini. Una Bini brother and I died, they rotted, they smell. They rotted, they smell for inside grave. None of them come aside. come bury the boy. Make una still share video. Make one rich as make it no make them the family for us, you know, say the boy don't die. Make them not the poor for the boy again. When I did that, they look me. When I did that, they look me. Are they shame for now? Are they shame for Benin people and Nisha people? And those state people are they shame for now? Una get union. Una union only meeting and I get them for. Only meeting for this summer now you go see all of the smart they come outside with tutu etai. With tutu etai. Now get the come outside pin. 1 naira no de una nyash. 1 naira no de una nyash. When something happened for Treviso last, not be 2 years ago, when the boy died, you know rich with that if you see money, euro die. If you see money, I say they donate money, they never bury the boy for you. They carry the boy, they buy better coffee, carry the boy, go Africa. That is Igbo men for you. Igbo men when he gets swag, get level. I never see Benin person when he die for this country, they can't carry their body go to Nigeria. I never see him. I never see him. Una be disgraced, oh. Una be disgraced. I dey cry for myself. Because if you die, if person die, you go think yourself, say one day you go still go come up for this earth. Una when person go die, one I will think I say, and I normal thing I don't die. Eh? You go reach everybody domoto. Now rain when God put for everybody roof. It must fall for all of us roof. Only the prayer what we get say, make God make us last. May God make us old. That be the prayer where we get. You understand? And some of us go there for country. 5 years, 6 years. Una not go hospital one day. Una they carry semo, na they carry mineral, na they carry beer, na go put for our body. Una not go do control. Una not go do any control. A year to a year. Make una know what they do now. What kind of small sickness go just come, man? They'll say the person don't die. Because you know they treat himself. You know they go hospital. You know they go anywhere. Like to shop some to eat, to drink, to go party, go drink 20 beer. Not many of the sabi. Not many of the sabi. If from so the sickness when they kill this boy, so I better say go kill her. If they go treat himself, if they go do checking, if you don't already know say you get that kind of thing for belly or for body. Papi, dá me facilita. Gracias. Do it. Do it facilita. Do it. Piano. You understand? I decide to make to keep myself to not to make friend. Because as I say Nigerians were there for Europe. Not just to condemn people. Not the sabi. Gracias, amore. Gracias. Now just to condemn people, not the sabi. They don't want person happiness. They don't want person happiness. They don't want anything that will make the person they happy. If African people were there for Europe, they really want make this boy, poor boy, when they don't die for more than 2 weeks, when Italian people come, the Italian citizens gonna find who go just sign, make they put him for rest, make he go sleep in peace. They don't see any Benin person, they don't see any Isha person when they come outside. But if not this my city here, now this so, now I pour they stay, they for don't bury persons. They for don't bury him. Because I will submit myself. Say, I know him. If they can't do my hair. Now paper that they sign. They're not the key person put. Now paper that they sign. Now Bini katakwi. Ah, Jesus. No fit come outside. Simple thing. Will the boy they stay for a house? No fit come outside. Now, wow. This life not balance. This life is not balance. No balance. I get white friends. I mingle with white people. For my status of my WhatsApp, if I want to know I want to find my friend's trouble, I not go put picture for status for 3 or 4 days. Babe, can't see call. Call they see call, they ask me, wetin happen? I take pass, wetin happen? Why you know they put picture for status? Are you okay? Are you fine? Wetin they do you? Can't see call. But all the Nigerian when I get from my WhatsApp is 36 people. It's 230 something people for my WhatsApp. We be Nigerians. No one go call me or flash me or text me or write me message say, Eva, how you there? I know they see you for line or waiting they day now. No one go answer you. No one go answer you. But you never put picture. Now they be first people to go zoom the picture. How you take post? How you take open breast? How you take open leg? You see, that's why I dislike Una when be Nigerians. Dislike Una. Pay me so I come for that stupid country. Pay me. Pay me. Pay me so I come for that country. You pay me. I know if it change my identity. It's too late. You pay me. Pay me. Because I've been disgraced to the world. Now me talking. Who shop belle full? Who know say mama carry belle 9 months come complete? Make it right nonsense for this video. If I not use that to shine. If I not use that to fame for this Facebook, I'm gonna change my name. If I not use the person shine. He pay me for now. I go call my party and I will tell me say, I be need the tear collar. I'm not call tear collar for my party. If thunder not fire you when you won't talk the word come for mat come. When they go need better tea, they not go see you now. Not to tear collar na sabi. Not to old drink na sabi. To old drink na sabi abi. You come my party and say if Bini gets and I be need the tear collar. Come my party come tear collar. If thunder when I serve the juju when I serve if you not kill you, they mad. Come my party, I go do birthday next month 15. Come my party, cause say you be Benin man. Say now you want tear collar. Say if Benin go somewhere and I be your job. If you go here and I be your job. If I not use my NC when I want to take pump, take tear your head, then you change my name. In short, I not go invite on myself. No Benin people, no Benin person they come my birthday. None of them. My disgrace. Fucking people. Fucking. I know so many of them will get bad belly for me. Say, this get don't cost me, don't cost us. But I be fuck up. I wanna be fuck up. I better not get level. Now let me know they make for Facebook. I go bath. I go buy many soap for many of them. I get to buy soap and brush for a lot of una when be Benin people. I go buy soap for now. Go buy soap for now. Many of them never bath where. I used to come Facebook, come they rant, come they shout. And many of una just do things where go make una name go viral. I don't want all those. No matter do all those one because the viral go too slow. I don't want the one be say 20k, 50k. They wash on now. Not this kind of viral now. I like to they go. It pay me for now. It paid me for now. If na my city here na per day, people know. They know say I know they talk wetin I no go fit do. If na my city here na a day, na per for die. They for don't bury potato. They for don't bury am. I go stand for back. I go stand for the two sides. They go bury am. You go sleep. All of them did since they watch me. Nobody press like. Nobody press cry or comment. All of them they look me. Say what did this they talk? They insult Benin na Benin people they insult. Una not they like truth too. Una not they like truth. And it's very bad for una not they like truth. It's very bad. Say if something happen to somebody, una they take and say that's when they happen to the person. Not be una brother. So it not concern una. It's very bad. Oh, now they very happy say, this when it happen, not be my bikini, apple tone is very bad. If you be woman when they wash me for year, if you don't carry belly, one picky once. You go know what to say. To born, you know, easy. Talk or say, pikin when you carry for 9 months, go just die. Bam! You don't big rich man, go can't die. It's too painful. You know they call it? It's too painful. Nobody they wish. Even your enemy self, you know, go wish and make it die. Make they abandon her for some mortuary. But a lot of you people, a lot of you people, when I will just get bad minds, grudges for person, they wish that person die, and make this person die, make this person die, make it die. If you die, not get anything when you gain. You no go carry the life, join your own. No. I'm not Bibini. I'm not supposed to come as I call they made this video. But as of now, when Bibini went for Venezia Mestre at Treviso, not get sense. So they make this video. Make a for now. Make a for now. Make this video reach the man ask when Paul they stay. Make it come outside. Make it talk out. They want to do the burial. I'm not Bibini. We are the stay almost 2 hours. 1 hour 40 minutes to reach the airport they stay. My resident is not really there. It's not really there. It's not really there. It's not really there. My resident is really in Belluno. Venezia Mestre in airport they stay. As that boy dead nice rich. That boy not the human, you know they carry women. That boy if he say 20 times, he go greet you 20 times. Paul, if you call him Paul, I won't do my hair. Oh, you just say, Mama, when you want to do, yeah, wait, make a look around there. We just say, wait, make a. I say, look around there. It's okay. So time like this. I don't reject. Now that kind better person fit die. Una sit down, they look. Una they fit they eat. Even the person when Paul they stay with for inside house, they fit they eat food. The person they eat food, if they go walk. Wow. Now well. They say if person don't read that, yeah. You know the I don't know the speaker for English, but the speaker for Robo say, "Oho wure oniegbo." I wish Ingo fit call like come see some of una. Say all of una when don't do it one by one. They come on ask, they follow na they play. They can't do it They follow na children they play. Say none of una fit talk about him. As they say they look all of her now, but they no fit talk to una again. They look on her, but no go fit talk to una again. No fit talk to una. Nobody will not die for this Veneto. For Treviso or for people when I know when don't pay me. Pay me reach this boy. He not there. He not there. If Paul they come and ask, na baby grober, nothing they cook for her. Because I know say na boy they do for us to us. I will carry big rubber. People when they know me, they know say me, I don't get time. I'll carry big rubber, I'll cook soup. I will ask say, Paul, you get stew for us. He will say, no, get stew. I'll say, make a cook stew. Before you come, this stew don't. He will say, I believe you. I'll cook big rubber. Because of Paul, I get all those rubber, they say, €4.90 set. Big one, €4.90 set. I buy 6. Now, I only want remain for my house. Paul don't carry 5 come out. Anytime when they come my house, they tell me, say, landlord go tell her, say, which person ask they go where they carry food? You carry fresh food, come. You carry food there, don't cook, come. The person here for the work. Where this person for the work? Now I said the sister not they use food. This woman not get time for food though. Anything when I want drink, anything, and they give me. Poor na humble person. Poor quiet. Very humble boy. Responsible boy when be say if now those some men when they do you don't take for your knife. Don't get baby mamas full everywhere. You understand? Now I die. As they do all of una rich. None of una fit sit down, plan, call all the Treviso people, Venezia Mestre people, who will donate 50 euro, 20 euro. Go the grave. Go bury. We just know say we bury Paul for a year. Anytime, person if throw, pass. If you throw flower, if you not throw pass. So far anytime when you pass, you put cross. Say Paul rest in peace. None of una fit do one. Una me I never talk to una. Una call they make mad for my say, I be Billy baby low. I be Billy baby. I be Billy person. If I see una for my profile, can't talk that rubbish. Mike Rubia. Na Bini Pikin. Edo katapi katapa katati. Na Pikin de roti for Europe. The roti de sime. No Edo person come aside. No come aside. No for na come aside. No na me when be data person won't come down. Now Bini people won't come aside. All your whole people. Na me when be data come die. And una come aside. When be so una own personal people die, una no fit come aside. That's why I dislike some of una when be Nigeria. Una not get good mindsets for una selves. That evil, black, bitter mind una get for una self. Una these are they follow people. Una go there for Europe. Una can never behave like Europe people. Person go carry one room for your hand. You will not ever give a resident. When you want give a resident, you go say, hey, bring me 1,000 euro. How much you take go do the resident for commune? How much you take do the resident for commune? When you go say, me person bring 1,000 euro before you go give a resident. Domicilio. I go want do domicilio for person. I was saying 500 euro. I dey come. I never thought. You know, my sister they build my page small. All of una will be Nigerian. Una go park enter house. What I would use on my eye they see for this my page. I know I start this video now my normal Facebook and they talk and put. But more una no worry. Una eye go clean. When you put someone for house, you're supposed to give the person hospitality or resident. But Nigerians go put person for us. Only they will say the person bring 500 euro before you will give the hospitality. Because they know say that hospitality, without the hospitality, the person will renew his documents. Renew his documents. I never sleep since yesterday. I go enter bed. I go turn. I go sit down. I go turn. I go sit down. I remember when something happened to me 4 years ago. I was okay. Make I do my. I don't barb my hair for 1 year. I can't say okay, make I do my train make I do. I can't call Paul. Paul say, praise the Lord. Don't tell you know you can't do it for my hand again. I say, I beg my sister not verse. My brother not verse, I beg. I not get chance. Now Paul come my house. Now as he come my house, we can't laugh. He can't ask me of the person when they say make me baba hair for 1 year. Can't ask me. As I tell Paul, say the person not did this life again. No, you know we see him again. No, as they do my hair, so we are not going to talk again. Paul not do my hair. Paul there for my place for more than 3 hours. He put her like this. Man, on don't see Paul tall. He grab. He not too tall like that, but he grab. He rich man. That's how the boy they cry. The boy they cry for good 3 hours. Boy when he get feelings for person. Boy when he know waiting day. Na ona. See the boy when they call Paul. When he die, so Edo Pikin, when he die, when none of them fit come outside, come bury. Now be this. See Paul. You see fine boy, better to know the last. See good person not the last. See now be this one. Paul now be this one for Venezia Ministry and Stroke Treviso. When up Edo Union people. Now if you come outside, come bury. Do Union people. This guy slap, not if slap. Igbo man. This guy slap, not if slap her. Not if slap her. You not if slap her. We're not too wicked. Believe people, we're not too wicked. Why are they self-centered like this? Come on, sign. Make them for bury the person. We're not fit. No. Come on, sign. When I just come outside, you write one paper. They carry the boy go bury for more than 2 weeks. More than 2 weeks, then they got 3 weeks. They don't see anybody. They don't see any busy person. They don't see Any Benin person, they don't see. They don't see any Benin person. When you come as I go bury this boy, make you go sleep. They don't see. They don't see. They pay me. They pay me because they pay me because I didn't think my life. I didn't think myself. 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 The way Paul just be. When you don't get anybody, you don't get brother, you don't get sister. That's what me be for this Europe. You don't get anybody. So all the old people when they follow, they make friends. All the people when they buy shit before their clothes. Say one thing could happen to me. That's what they will just say abandon me. Oh God. Paul too good for that to live for that place. For that to leave that boy for that place, it too good. It too good. The part of they find trouble. You know they look for person trouble. You know they pick person tea. Borrow the big person tea. The small when he gets, now they use the small one. Ah no, Nigerians. Benin people went there for Maestri and Treviso. Summer they come. Una go do a shebi. No problem. Summer, it's just they come. You understand? So summer they come. You know, say if rain fall for person ass, people go they laugh that person. No, this rain don't fall for this person ass. But if the rain fall for na house, and I will put hands, carry slippers till they run. Una won't be mothers. Una won't be mothers. When they Maestri and Treviso, una fit carry una self. They sleep. Una won't be papa. When they for Venezia Maestri and Treviso, una fit they carry una self. They sleep. Not they will reason this boy matter. I wish wetin happen to Paul make it not happen to any of our children, no, because not be only one person ask rain for the fall. Not only one person ask rain for the fall. Not only one person ask. This thing to pay me. I not be better. Again, I go do live video. What are I go help me share? Make it rich poor family. That 2 weeks plus. Then what don't die? 2 weeks plus. 2 weeks plus. 2 weeks plus. Person die for say mortuary. No Nigerian person if you come outside. No Nigerian person. No Nigerian person. No Nigerian person. No Benin person. No Benin person come outside. The thing pay me. It paid me. I didn't take my life. I don't get mama. I don't get papa. I don't get anybody for Europe or not. Let me one just day. I got to take my life since yesterday. I didn't take my life. I think. That's what my life was to be. Man, can I back go meet my mama for Nigeria? Back go meet my pikin. Hey, God. No. Person of a die for Europe when he pay me like this, person of a die when he pay me, person of a die when he pay me. Good people not the last, oh. Good people not the last. Good people not the last. I don't get anything to do. It is well. 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 The ass when Paul they stay. When the person fit and go hospital, abandon and die. When enough fit come aside, may we donate money. May we donate. Nobody Bini get the picky. If person get better than your own, when you come outside, when the picky come now all of us, so picky come outside. Now all mother they get picking. As the picking grow, can't die. No Bini person. No Bini person one. If if one just will make noise, come as I say, Paul, that boy they do I beg you, one bury more do 20 euro or 50 euro. A lot of people will come aside, they will donate that money. But now, they don't even need that money. You understand? They don't need the money to donate. They don't need that money. They just need to sign. Sign, say you know the person, so that give them go ahead. May they bury the boy. You understand? No, just bury the boy. Now just for giving go ahead. Now Benin people don't fit come outside and Isha people. Edo State people don't fit come outside. But I never talk any small thing. I go just carry crowd. Now I want use coconut cup to tear my head. But I'm saying the truth. Make una try to unite. Because if now Igbo man or Agbo or Yoruba man, I don't say they go try. But I don't say if na stop me, I go still talk my if na robo people, na robo person that this happen to. If na me when it happen to, me when go robo get. All these robo people where they around me for years so they not go come. You know why? One, I don't know what me do them. I might just use the opportunity to talk my own. I don't know what me do them. They say me they carry body. They say because I don't Igbo ass. They say me know they walk. They say na me they wear the best things. They just all of them when they here. Just get that bad belly for only that reason, no. Me, I don't understand quarrel. They just get that bad belly for me. Talk us if I can't die. They not go wish me say I beg you as you kukuma die na good. I know say Urobo people now what did they go do? I know them. I know all of them. I know all of them. So that one, the thing they pay me say, poor when he good, on a fear bad up poor when he good. Although I don't have any bad record, I'll be a very nice person. People that know me, they know me. Only say I know they mingle with Nigeria. I know they mingle with friends because of best known to me. But I'm not a bad person. If you don't know person, you go they say the person they carry body. No, try to know the person before you go know whether the person they carry body. Many people they judge yourself. Because the way I think they do my things, I know they carry body near me. Before you go know whether they carry body. You understand? So me one of that already they just had the carry body and I won't down and I won't come my barrier. But when it be say, if they lawyer, if you match I will tell you sorry. No, no, if you come as I go barrier. Now come me. I'm gonna come out my hair for road because I don't get strength. Since yesterday I never sleep. Because yesterday night I see a poor picture when it did die. Wait happen. People for UK. Imagine my friend for UK. Now I send picture for me say they find Google just sign. Person for UK. People for UK don't get it, don't see the picture. Venetor. As Venetor reach, nobody see the picture. Everybody are focusing for their work, focusing for their children. Focusing for their husband. But don't forget, say rain. They fall for everybody else. When they can't die, when people die, no wish all of una make una die that kind die. I beg, una went there for Europe. When all of una went there for Europe, at times a year to a year, make una they go do test. Make una they go do test. In case anything when it wrong for the body, earlier is better. Some of una go there this Europe, una no go do test. Oh, if people no say. Something they wrong for a body since when it did this Europe. If I don't do test, if I don't know maybe they treat her, maybe this early death for not kill the poor, the poor. You understand? Many people not agree they do test. Test not they cost anything. 20 euro, 50 euro. This month, this January, I spent 177 euro to do my test. All the old tests were there for my body. No test what I not do. Next month for year they go do Pekus test. No test when I not they do because now once in a year now they run on my test. All the old tests I run on. Two not good for inside. My doctor send me back instantly. Now I tell us I not get money. Say if I press, man I go borrow money. Say make I go because he don't understand the test. The next 2 days I go there, I do the test. What did he tell me? He said me make I stop to eat banana. And banana is one of my best food. Now, let what if doctor see for my body this year be that. See, we can stop to eat banana. If I want to eat them, I know they eat them every day like do I they eat them before. I say, see, make I stop to eat anything sweet. My limit, if I eat sugar, my limit. But if I not go do all those tests this year, I go know all those things. I tell you, they drink, they eat, they join. Till you can't grow, you can't turn to another thing for your body. Make una they go hospital na beg. La go where they beg una. Make una they go hospital. Una they go do test. Una they run test for una children, for una wife, for una husband. Some men they for this country for 10 years they never do test. Once they just get belly, once they get they don't tell you say my wife not get AIDS. Now AIDS, now be the sickness. Excuse me. Not only AIDS, not be the sickness. Not be him. Make una they do test. I wish Paul do many tests. Do they go do it, they carry money, the way do test. This sickness when it keep Paul. If I not kill him. You understand? If I not kill him. If I not kill him. We go just get money. I be still victim. I go just get money. I will carry money and they share give my brothers, share give my mama, share give Nigeria people. As many they talk, as I know they give them. Many people want to know they give money again now. All of them they keep me enemy. They say be wicked person. But when I forget the first time when we say I start the share and they give on money for good 15 years, I be more good to all of them. You understand? As I decide to beg, enough is enough. Make I start they do small thing. All of them, reach all my brothers. So no one come out. All of them they keep me enemy. I greet you. None of their wife, they call me. If they will say what, they know they called me. Talk us in outside people. Your family, if they keep your enemy, outside people. So make another gather na money. When, like me, every January, I run all tests. If I dey like, ma climb, go, now Austria, they stay. Ma climb, go Austria, make I they bring all the tests. Next month or the 12th, I get total test. Or the 25th, I get breast test. You know how much I will pay for breast? I go pay 165 euro. It's private. Because my documents, they read 35 years. But I'm more than 35. You understand? So I get to go do breast, my own breast. So I get to go pay money, private. Because I know my age. To know how the breast be. Oh, no, not there. Now go just they carry breast, they put for my mouth. Suck, only suck, go make the breast not get cancer. Shut up your mouth. Man, whenever I brush teeth, go carry breast for my say no, go make her not get cancer. Go and treat yourself. Go and check yourself. How many times you don't go to hospital make them look the shape of your pekus? How many times you don't go to hospital go do better test for all your body or your organ? No. For the time I say you there, you boy ask now. Not be you and you baby boy they stay. Sickness never come. Now the first coronavirus, corona injection when they first take. When they take, people they take. Some old mama, stupid old mama just stay for Europe for 25 years, 30 years. They take corona injection, some of them faint, some of them go hospital. Because you know why? Their organ, their body, their belly, different sickness full on. So the injection, that corona injection come, invite all the injection come. You know, see, they talk that time. Say, Oyibo bring this thing to take people. Me, I take my 3 dose complete. Not be me there, so. I don't take more than how many months, how many lasses, waiting. Not be me there, so. I don't die. Now, therefore, say as they chop, they do everything. I know go go come on the 20 or 25 euro to go just to go. They do test. You go pay on now. Now calculate the money. Go Nigeria money. If I carry this money, go give my mama for Nigeria now. Go tell me go pray for me. Your mama they eat natural food, food that they plant for ground, fresh food. They eat some. We they eat food where chemical food. You know, we buy medicine. I asked my girlfriend, say, a year to a year, how many vitamins they drink for every month? He said, they say they drink, this one, a person is in me with almost 3 years old. They say they drink vitamin. What do they do for bed dinner? Are they shop now? Not as you, they mad. All those your salmon and big meat when they shop. Now vitamin, they tell you. Now vitamin. I tell somebody, say, I beg, they call your house now, beans are they eat. Beans, they waste gas. You can make gas quick, they finish. And now they cook beans, so. So they don't get any better one at the shop on our body. Semo rice. And now. Go on social media. The bleachers cream, the highest bleachers cream, and I get them. I don't cry you up, Paul. Don't cry you. I remember say who good, not the last. So I pray for this video when I make so. Is some Benin people when they get sense when they dey for Venezia, Mestre, and Treviso. When they go find where your grave dey, your the hospital when you dey, make they try to bring everything possible to make we go bury you. Una know say if una called me, anytime I take called me, but when I not coming for night, I go answer una. Not call me a day to the day. Call me say they won't bury Paul now. See money where they share. I did there. You know rich money what they dash Shorty boys them. No rich. You know how many Shorty boys they press my bed. Now because of Shorty people. With people when I don't want to make it they come my house. Now I go put Mavese ringy bell. When they bring my bed, I go see them. They come to my house. Come to my house to anytime when they pass, they don't also finish. They come call my compound because my compound is very big. They come press bed. I'll give them food, give them water drink. I can't give them my coins. You understand? That will not be problem. But they come they use and they do every day. So then this my aunt comes swell up. Why they turn some more? Now I say I never marry black man. I think my aunt they swell up. If I go marry black man, I go be. And I say I can't. It's more small. I can't they dry the bed once in a 2 times in a week. I can't they do am. You understand? 2 times in a week. I don't feel the do them every day. Who want verse, make a verse. But I don't feel the do them every day. 2 times in a week, I call the do them. I do them on Monday and I do them on Friday. That is the 2 times in a week. You understand? So, I not be that petty. People know me. They know me and they love me. Many people love me. They love me secretly. They love me. They come to judge my matter. That sister Eva, she not the like to near person, no, but I like the woman. They judge me. If you love me, not the pass corner, toss me direct. Toss me and I go accept if you toss me. Not the pass corner. You understand? I'll be good person. I'll be bad person. When you show me bad, I show you bad. When you show me good, I show you good. Pour too good. Now make me come and come make video call they cry for them. Call they cry for Benin people make gonna get sense when I go carry pork come for great hospital. Make them not easy, but they do experiments. May we bury Paul. If you're not ready, Mona let me know. I did my house. I did my house. And this is what they talk. So don't be say sugar on my fly. If I give my white man go and say Indian mo, I go do am. But I won't see Benin people character. I won't see them. I won't see them. Now they make me on Facebook. I don't feel come as a better on a junior brother. I love you. I love you too. I love you. I love all of you now. I don't say una love me. Many of una love me. Una they show me. But many of us still hate me. You get bad belly for me. Say I to the talk. Na normal thing. You know the complete for person. But if you notice me for my any live video when I come make, I they express myself. And the thing I must talk and make when I know say now waiting sight reach me. Because when Paul dies, so I can't think my own side. Say me when be orphan for Europe. I not get my man, not get brother, I not get anybody, I not get cousin. I be only one man squad for this Europe. That make the thing can't really pay me well. Can't pay me. You understand? Can't pay me. If na Venezia Mestre day, they know me. Not be say maths. If it call us to worst, if it call us to worst, you go stand for my back, go chest for me. What's the worry many of on ourselves? If I don't go that place, go find how it go take Duam. How we go take sign now. This country, Naomi, the way they want born Naomi. Nobody did there. The man not there, nobody did. They don't do, I don't stay for hospital for 3 days and I will see the video for my Disney. For 3 days, the girl don't push. You don't push, you don't feel push again. Then they say me the girl call person when you come sign for him. The girl call everybody, even in own direct senior sister, the same mama, the same papa. That one tell her saying they go walk. As he call me, now pull my clothes. I be mama when don't use picking, when don't push picking past Toto. Now pull my clothes, pull my clothes. And now they go shush. Now all my white shock. I said this sign where they go sign for this picking. They go see the picking, see the mama. They go see this picking. They go see the mama. I go carry this pikin for hand and I go celebrate the first birthday. As I go, they look me. Documento, I bring my document, I bring everything. I sign. 35 minutes. They carry Naomi come outside. Put for that their boat. They come say a rivato. The pikin don't come. I reach where Naomi dey. Naomi they sleep, he not Greek cry. Now only 2 legs. Now dash for yash. I say, come on, come this earth. Wait till they worry you. Come this earth. Come. Now white pants 3 times. Now you shout. I say, welcome to the head. I cannot stand, come sign for your mama finish. You come to here, they sleep. When they put you for sleep, they cry, they shake mat. And I know the first cry, what they cry, they shake the mat. I say, welcome. The nurse look me. Now I say, così noi infami a paese. Quanto bambina non piange, tocca bicchiere. Go cry by force. When the mama hear the cry, he say, it's a big mommy, they cry. Now say, if I slap you for that place where you there, if you not sleep, make them clear your body, they find who they cry. If it not be the cry when they not be they sleep, when they sleep for your belly, and make another come outside. When you they cry, it's 3 days. Or your senior sister, when you not be the same, mama say, papa not come outside, say they go walk. Till today, the first Naomi birthday, I'm the one that do it. I knock my 2 chests. Now me do, I must spend 420 euros to do the birthday. Because that is my promise, I promise the pikin. I do them. All the socky, how they call them, soccer. Where the first soccer to the one they reach 1 year. Now me buy them. Because it not put me to shame. It not make me go prison. So I like the vow, I vow. If na church I vow and put, I will go. From my juju I vow I put, I will go. As I vow to the pikin, say if you come to this earth, not to do your mama, not to do your papa, I go do your first birthday and I do one for her. But wait to make me and the pikin mama not they talk today again. You collect money for government, I don't know. They give you 5,000 euro, you not tell me you carry the money go Nigeria. You not tell me. I don't know, say you don't know say the money when the government they give you say 5,000 euros, so say that money, you don't already sell the pikin. Give to them. If the pikin start school, now once in a month you call the pikin. I don't know. I go in house. When I reach the house, call they catch me. God bless I know when I say God forbid me. When I come out from my house, come. I'm not the sick. So why I call reach? Why I call the sick? As I carry the pikin, as I hold the pikin for hand, that's what tears come they come from my eye. They come. Now I drop the pikin. Now I come my house. I'm not a Christian. I told you people. I now come my house. As I come my house, now I carry shock. I say anything when it won't happen. God, show me for dream. Review it to me. Make I see him. Now I blow the shot, go hell. Blown! Make my time juju stand for me. Because now it catch me. After 2 days, now I can't dream. So I dream. That morning, one carry pikin go school. Now I say, come on. Carry Naomi go school. Naomi no will come back. Which paper they give you when you sign finish shop money? Where the paper? As I tell this girl, so the girl called they shake. They shake. Sister, what happened? I said, which paper they give you? Mama Naomi, when you chop the paper. When you chop the money, you keep paper for bottom of bed. You not read the paper. You not transfer and go give Italian people when they know how to read. Say no. I said, bring paper come. You already said Naomi 5,000 euro. Give people who are not born children. Who said ticket for them? The person with his wife and his children never die. Now me call the person, say, brother, I beg go. We need ticket to so deal. This girl not call sleepers. Now this is my house. Now you call the for night. You go there early morning 5 o'clock. We don't go carry them. But you both don't suffer. Stefano don't suffer for Nigeria people and where they not get value, where they not get respect for me. Yeah, Stefano don't suffer, eh? Because anything when I tell her, they take them, say all Nigerians, our family, they call Nigeria my sisters. So everybody now see your own sisters and brothers. Early morning, they can send a message, say, yeah, tomorrow we get appointment by 11 o'clock. Me, myself, I get appointment for airport by 6:45 in the morning. I started carry my pikin, carry the stupid mama my small mama with the pikin. I carry her. Pam! My weakness, they many. When I did Treviso Airport, the pikin they go, if they cry, they cry. The girl they cry. But some people they are ungrateful. As he go, called me for 2 months. Called me. I got the wait because when you go somewhere, your WhatsApp they go, they see her for Facebook, if they post the right new location, and called me. He called me when he come down, man not lie. He called me when he come down, since I don't come down with the goers. Now then he talk to me rich. You understand? If I call the worker for street, people call they tell me say, Mama Naomi that come up for a year. Mama Naomi that come up for a year. Mama Naomi that come up for a year. I say, Mama Naomi don't come out. I say, I don't know, say don't come out. Not be you make her come on, now you feel make her, now you feel do one now. She tell what you do for her, you be better person. But you, when I do one for you, not call me to tell me thank you. Cry when I cried that day for one of my mama when they do cake for Treviso, for Quinto. I cry for her ass. And I say, but what you make now? Because of the picking again, I make you they cry you. Because of the picking I get picking, I make you they cry. No. And I say you and get picking, when I be 5 or 6. I cry. The woman, no man, no make sure her name. They do cake for Treviso. Near Quinto, she stay. And I said the woman come home me say, Vanessa, you like picking. I said the picking too fine. I said, no, say if I snap picture with her, I must do the picking fine. Now 4 years now. 3 years and 2 weeks now the picking don't come up for Italy. Last, yeah, they go no physically contain them because they've been lazy youths. Because they find free money. They find money when they don't want to work. They find every government, anywhere where government stay, anywhere where they see bonus. They don't run, come back now. They don't do it for Verona now. I greet you. Now picking don't complete 5 years. They won't start school because of long truth of money. Wait till they pursue you. You know if you go work for yourself. Work for yourself, work for your picking. Forget about government because you don't know what some kind of papers when they write for you. Then make some of them, they will carry their picking. They'll come on social media. I'm not doing anything. You just carry my picking. You just do this one. No. You know whether they give you food and paper. When you design, you know say for the front. They will carry your picking. So I use God beg now. I be one man squad. I be one man squad when guess what? When they get level. If I go anywhere, say in a party, the party they catch fire. Because this my small young share. I go out to do twerk, I go rock. I know they go somewhere when they did door. So I the beg now when they invite me for party every time. Make on they try to the answer of me. If I know the answer of me, if I want to do party, when I know they call my number. When I know they call my number. Oh. Keep my comment for you. Wait for 2 days or 3 days time. Man, not see any better reply for Bini and Isha people waiting for Treviso and Mestri about Paul. I'm coming back for you guys. Come for now. I know they use my family to play. I want make food to my papa. When I hear when I send a message just now. I want make food for her. The cry when I don't cry. And the cry when I cry for my late husband. Now I still can't cry for Paul. Because Paul still follow me cry. Paul follow me cry. Now because he wanna cry too. Hey, we sing or sing. Oh ma mi lolo, call me work big bear. Mami lolo, call me work big bear. Only mo mami lolo, call me work big bear na. No mami lolo, call me work big bear. So mo mami lolo, call me work big bear na. No mami lolo, call me work big bear. No mami lolo, call me work ya. Now something when I think about people that make me come live video. Not besides just chop belly food say I won't call live people. I won't call live video. You understand? I not just sit down. Come sit down say I won't come live video. I wait till I think, I feel of myself. That's why I come live video. Oh ma mi lolo, call me work big bear. Ma mi lolo, roro kemi we gbigbe oni mama mi roro kemi won yana no mami roro kemi we gbigbe usubo mami roro kemi won ya no mami roro kemi we gbigbe no mami roro kemi we gbigbe na. I take myself say e no good may you be orphan, may you not get sister, may you not get anybody. E no good. But I constantly thank God. I don't get anybody for you, but I get God. I get God. I get art. I get lovely family. Although they not be black people, say they be white, I appreciate to stay with them. So, you know, they pay me. But if something happen to some people, I really feel bad. Mostly people when I love. If I love you, I know they pretend for my love. And they show them. They must not say I love you. I not be all those people when go love you. They pretend. I don't pretend. If I make friend with you, if you do things that I don't like, I they tell you. But if you no one stop that thing, I'll just cut off. You understand? I'll just cut off. Una when no know me, when be say una no person when he know me, person when no person when he can't know person when can't know person when can't know me. Una can't hear my matter. I beg, make una not they judge me. For the food Treviso before I come out for the Treviso Veneto, I not marry Percy husband. I not date Percy husband. Now now do for Treviso throughout before I come out. Only the thing when I know say yes, I really they do then. I ate rubbish. Don't lie against me. If you lie against me, and we die. I use bottle whip your head. I know they care for the prison when I won't go. I know say I did when you do me something, and they do you back instantly. I know they go back. I know they go back. They go they pretend. You understand? Now only that one now they say, Eva, if you just do something, we just do you back. I like that life because you see my belly is small like this. I don't want to keep anybody if I say the belly so that I go feed the seafood they eat food. If you my friend, you do me something, I don't feel explain for you. I don't feel tell you the thing when you do me say they pay me because they keep you from mind. Let me say I won't kill you. You understand? So I know they make friendship like that. I don't make friendship. I don't make friendship like that. People when they don't understand me, when they carry face, when they know person, know this person, call know this person. They will see me for party, they will call they do face. Somebody I go a party and tell me say, Sister Eva, don't say when I fool. I say, which kind of you talking? They talk with your mouth come. Say, don't say this person like this person like this person like this person like this. Now I can't talk like this. Me when be mama, I call you the follow. I don't know say you get this kind of character. Now I sit tell and say, my sister, if you don't know me, you know if you know me. Okay? So now when be Bini, I just got beg on now. I know feel it down for now. No feel it down. For many of them, but let me say I'm not feeling that for now. For my tradition, for the juju one at the serve, I be old woman, I be grandma. Grandma not they need that for a children. So because of that reason, I not need that for now, but I will beg ona, make ona when be Bini and Isha people. Go find enemies to the sign. If we reach any money at all, we won't donate. May we donate. Yes, Robavovo, yes. May we donate. Make we feel, make him rest in peace. Okay, I love you guys. I have to make food for my father. Much love to you guys. Love all of them when they watch me. Kosa. I'm not mind the cry when I cry, yo. If they reach everybody, body, you know understand? If they reach everybody at all, now they reach everybody, nobody will not go die, but at least may we pray, make we last. Make our children come on white hair for our head. May we see come on white hair for our husband head. You understand? That be our prayer. So nobody will not die. If you see me say I cry, say the cry touch you. Use your hand, rub your belly. Say now waiting pain. Now they cry for. You understand? So I wish you not the best. Now not go die, small pikin die. Small pikin die, not go reach on her body. All love when they wash me since. Small pikin die, not go reach on her body. When I not go lost people, when I love. When I not go lost friends, when I love. When I not go lost husband. When I not go lost on her children. I go grow old. But make on her hands clean. Make una they go do test for hospital. I use God beg una. When I try to do test so that una go know any 40 anything at all when they happen for inside our body. Now Europe with the Europe now free 25 euro, 30 euro. You don't do tests. I beg. Much love, Ellis to all of una. Kisses. I appreciate all my mommy and my daddy when they wash me. God bless all of una. I appreciate you guys.